Today we'll be making carrot cake cupcakes, perfect for Easter. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. For our dry ingredients, add in flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground cloves, and ground nutmeg. Whisk it all together. Then set it aside and we'll work on our wet ingredients. In a bowl, add in unsweetened applesauce, oil, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix it all together until completely smooth. Now add in our dry ingredients and mix. Once combined, we'll add in our shredded carrots. Fold and mix until fully combined. Then we'll divide and pour our batter into our cupcake tray. This will make 12 cupcakes. Bake at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once they're done, let the cupcakes cool completely and we'll work on our frosting. To a bowl of cream cheese, add in icing sugar, and using a mixer, beat until smooth. Then we'll add in our heavy cream. Then continue to beat until light and creamy. Then place the frosting into a piping bag and we can start decorating our cupcakes. Frost each cupcake with our cream cheese filling. And for a festive Easter decoration, top with mini eggs. And there you have it, Easter-themed carrot cake cupcakes. Enjoy!